Out, y'all. General Mills new caramel flavored with other natural flavors. Dulce de Leche Toast Crunch. And it is a caramel flavored sweetened wheat and rice cereal. It is a 12-ounce package. It was approximately $3.99 at the local grocery store. I've been wanting to try something new. I was looking for French Toast Crunch, but it's not available. So going to try this one, and it's got some stuff on the side there, and it's got this on the back. It says enlarged to show detail, and also here is the nutritional facts. Yeah, there's quite a few going on here, huh, y'all? There's the ingredients. Contains bioengineered food ingredients. And there you go with their contact information. And on and on, and there's the UPC label. So let's go ahead and tear these open. I apologize for my camera being a little bit of a mess. This is usually my workstation for getting cleaned up, but this here is just water. So let's open this up and pour a bowl, get some whole milk up on this joint, and see what's going on. Alright, here's inside the box, y'all. And it doesn't really have Toast Crunch. So let's pour a bowl. Alright, let's put in some milk. Oh, I got ants on my counter. Uh-oh. Alright, everybody, so yeah, I got some milk in here. I'm gonna let this absorb it a little bit here. Kind of a larger spoon because all my little ones are needing to be washed. So yeah, well, here we go. First try. Let's sniff this here quick. Yeah, it smells pretty good. Let's go for a bite. It tastes pretty good. It really doesn't have a very noticeable caramel. I'm not tasting it. Let's try another bite here. Maybe I just gotta let it soak into the. Maybe the milk's gonna do something for it here. So here we go. Let's spoon up another bite. Here we go. Well, y'all. On my own take on this, I have to say General Mills missed the mark with the caramel. That's a bummer. It is a good cereal. I'm not saying it tastes really good. And it does have, now that I've had a chance to let my taste buds do their thing, it does have a hint of caramel. I can taste it. It's real slight. It's not what I was hoping. But either way, there it is, everybody. I'm going to rate this probably about a 3.5 out of 5 as far as they missed the mark on the flavor, unfortunately. So be sure to check out our playlist for more videos like this. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below. Hit like if you liked the video. And until next time, everybody, take care, take it easy, and see y'all later.